Check this out, guys. So we are finishing up this beautiful setup. As you guys can see, we have custom bottle holders here from Raldo's Details, custom colors from, they're gonna be wrapping up this van, you know, and it's gonna match with these colors here. So it's looking really nice, super clean, super organized. Everything has a spot. Right here is for your buckets, you know, because that's the first thing we always get. You know, you got space for your brushes, all your IK sprayers here, and 16-ounce bottles over there. Clean towels, dirty towels, high-end towels, miscellaneous stuff over here. Everything that you need. On this side, we have the aqua water system to fill it up your water tank, and you have a second choice over here, which is this one. This one can be for to fill it up your buckets, or as well to fill it up your water tank. The only thing with this one here, you have to be watching, make sure, because you don't have a flow valve from this end over here. We have the pump, we have the generator on a nice Raldo's Details generator slide out. You have a space over here for your steamer, for your cooler. I mean, you name it. You have your Beadz vacuum air compressor over there. On the other side, let's check it out. On this side, you have a space for your carpet extractor, gallon size over here, pump sprayers, you got your polishers, your pad holder over here, Krensla 65-gallon water tank. This thing is looking amazing. All the setup is made of aluminum, so never is gonna get rust. The other thing is, with this one here, remove these 2 bolts. Everything is built in one solid piece. This is not wood, this is not nothing else. This is aluminum. Everything is in one piece, so you can just simple slide it out and you should be good to go to get a rental van. If you ever have any issues with your van, let's say for instance your transmission, your engine, your van needs to spend, let's say, 3 weeks on the body shop or the mechanical, so you are missing 3 nice weeks of work. I mean, you are losing just right there around $15,000 easy, because if you have your company running like the way it's supposed to be, you should be doing anywhere from $4,000 to $6,000 weekly. All right, guys, so that's a quick video for you guys. Thanks for watching. Let's go. Take care.